Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Mate X6, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. To get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box and will look something similar to this, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, strain one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you find one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom half of the device. So let's take off the case, and you can see it right here. Now when you push in the pin, the tray should pop out, enough for you to pull it out. On the tray will have space for two different SIM cards, so you have one on the top and also one on the bottom. And both of them come with a retention bracket, which means that when you clip in your SIM card in place, it will not be falling out if you flip it upside down. Now, make sure that the card is laying completely flush on the tray. It should not be protruding and should not be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. And then just simply pop it back into your device. Now, because this is Huawei, you will experience, there we go, this thing, which is an automatic language change without any question or consent, because it's China. It's not like they care about consent there. So I'm gonna put in my SIM card pin to unlock it. I'm gonna quickly show you how you can get back the language that you might have set up throughout the setup process, which, from what I could understand, setup process is for the setting up and SIM card is for SIM card purposes. So I'm not sure why it's changing the language all willy-nilly on its own. But in any case, to change the language, because you have right now your phone in a language that you might not understand, you're gonna click on the settings, which looks like this, and then scroll all the way to the bottom to the second last option, and then select third option from the top and first one, and then you want to select add language, which is the second option, and find the desired language that you want to set. When you get this pop-up, it will ask you if you wanted to change to this language. Now, depending on which language it changed for you to, the option might actually be switched around. So 90% of languages will have the change option on the right side, but for the languages that are being written from the opposite side, meaning right to left instead of left to right, these options will actually be swapped. Anyway, once you click on it, you'll get the actual language that was set by default then. In any case, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.